So hey friends, I was called out by Eric from Nomadic Fanatic. He has a little 10-question challenge for me, so I'm going to play along. Thank you, Eric. This has given me something to do today, because yeah, not a lot going on.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her mind again.
So question number 1 is, how many rolls of toilet paper do I have on hand? Well, I have about 10 of them, but they're the big fluffy ones, so I think they count as double rolls. So anyway, I think I'm set for a while. Question number 2. What has been the biggest challenge for me during this lockdown? Well, honestly, it's staying put. I've never been one to stay put much, and yeah, it's been a real challenge. But, you know, I'm finding the good sides to everything and keeping myself real busy. I am able to work from home at least, and believe it or not, that's way harder than working from work. Never would have seen that coming. Question number 3 is, where am I currently docked or parked? Well, I am a part-time van dweller. I'm a weekend warrior kind of a girl, so I am luckily parked here at home. My van is lonely. So question number 4 is, what have I gone without recently? Well, I've gone without my friends, and I miss them. I miss Vicky, I miss my brother, I miss John, people who I'm used to seeing every day. So, yeah, that's what I've been missing recently. Question number 5 is, what am I grateful for? I am grateful that I'm not stuck at home, but that I'm safe at home. That's what I'm grateful for. Question number 6 is, what do I miss the most? Well, while I do, I miss traveling. I miss going out every weekend and camping. I find that I miss my friends more. So, yeah, I'd say my friends again. So question number 7 is, when's the last time I was at a campground? I had to look that up, and I can't believe that, because usually I would just say last weekend. But it was March 28th. It was right before the Texas State Parks closed for business. Question number 8 is, what's my favorite quarantine food? Well, everything in my kitchen, it seems. I've been cooking up a storm. Yeah, I don't know what my favorite is, though. I've enjoyed grilling out quite a bit, too. So, question number 9 is, how are you exercising or working out? Well, I've been able to go to the park a couple of times and bring my e-bike out. Other than that, just, you know, working around the house, cleaning out closets, you know. Probably moving more than I do when I go to work. And question number 10 is, who are you going to challenge next? Choose 5. So, here you go. Alright, well, I'm calling you out, Frugal RV Gal. I really want to hear your answers to some of these things. I want to know what your favorite quarantine food is. And the Dan Van, calling you out. Where are you holed up, buddy? I'm also going to call out my buddy Blind Views. I want to see how you see it. And let's see, who else? Monchichi. I want to hear what little Larry has to say about all this. I want to know how this is affecting him. And last but not least, I'm going to call out MiMiWeekend. Now, this is a friend of mine who has been wanting to start a YouTube channel, and she just hasn't ever finished a video, put it up, and aired it. So, this is your chance, Mimi. I want to see it. So, hope you guys will play along. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I hope wherever you are safe and sound. And, yeah, stay lost, my friends. Even if you're staying lost in your house. So, I almost forgot. There is a bonus question. What is or what will be your pandemic panic purchase? Well, actually, I've been very good, guys. I haven't made any. Nope. I think I'm going to save a little bit of my money here, because the world's a little bit uncertain right now, and that just seems like a wise choice. So, yeah. Nope. No shopping for me. Sorry, guinea pigs. I know you want that new house. Okay, maybe I bought a guinea pig house. Shh. Hey friends, I got called out by Eric, Nomadic Fanatic. Yep, he challenged me to do this little 10-question challenge. Question number 7 is, when's the last time I was at a campground? I'm going to have to look that up. One moment, please. Those birds are loud. Got my back door open. Sounds like there's one in my house. It's making the guinea pigs very nervous.